Hi everybody and welcome to this new video of presentation of the production module of Kaizen indicator system. In this video we will see how to execute production by using barcode system. Before starting, let's see what is an Andon system. An Andon system is an interface with the focus to share information with everybody. Now we can see the Andon system proposed by Kaizen indicator system, and let's imagine to have this Andon in a screen in the middle of your production. Okay, the proposed form of Andon has three main blocks. The main most important block is in the upper side on the left, and it has the list of the products we are currently executing, we are manufacturing now. We have a list of products and many information for each product. The information to show are fully customizable by the customer for each department in the settings section of Kaizen indicator system. Below, from the product, we have the list of tasks to be executed for manufacturing the product, and the colors gives us many information about the status of each task. The green tells us that the task is completed. Blue tells us that task is currently running. Then, for example, yellow tells us that the task is in a while will be late, while a red background is telling us that a task is late. White tells us that a task is did not start it yet. Okay, in the right side of the screen we have productivity information. For example, we have expected production and current production for this shift, and also we have information about the start and the end date and hour of the current shift. And in the lower part of the Andon we have the queued products. What is the queued product list? It is the list of products planned in production but that are not already started. So these are the next products we are going to build. Okay, now we finished this presentation of Andon system, and let's see the interface for executing tasks. Let's open Workplace Barcode Gameba to check into this interface that is projected to be the most simple as possible, with the aim that it can be used by really everybody. The only thing you need to run this is a computer connected to internet with a common browser like as Google Chrome, like Mozilla Firefox, and a barcode reader. Once you open this interface, you can uh, you can forget other input devices such as the mouse or the keyboard, and you can only use the barcode reader. In this way, everybody can use this interface. Other tools we're going to use are printed by Kaizen indicator system and are the page of each person where there is the barcode to be read to identify each person, and there is the production control sheet that we already saw, and it is a sheet where we have information to execute production, and in each sheet we have information for one product. We have the customer name, the product name, the quantity we're building, the delivery date. And also in the body there is the list of tasks to be performed to realize the product. And for each task we have linked 4 barcodes. Each barcode is an action. So By reading this one, we can tell to the system we are starting the cut task. With this, we pause the task, we end the task, or we want to notify warning to our chiefs. Okay, so let's make an example of usage of this interface. Let's open the Andon system in the, let's put Andon and the barcode execution in parallel so we can see how Andon is changing. Okay, for example, we can see we are working on the bend task and we want to end the bend task. Let's read our page, and now the system tells us read the barcode related to the action on the desired task. We can start, pause, end, or notify a warning. In this case, we want to end the task, so let's read the end barcode. Okay, after a little evaluation, the system tells us an immediate feedback about the operation we performed. And with this green icon, the system tells us that operation completed successfully. Matteo completes the task 29, bend. Other information we can see in here are the list of tasks that this user is currently running, because each user can perform tasks in parallel, and also we can see the list of the workstation when in which this user is currently logged. Okay. Also, we can see that in the Andon system, the band task changed its color and now it is green because it has been completed. So in real time, we can see the progress of the production. Also, it is important to say that this interface is smart because it prevents errors. For example, what does this mean? For example, we want to start the weld task without executing the picking task. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now we don't have a green check icon, but we have an icon with a problem. So the system tells us Matteo starts the task 30, weld, this one. But an error occurred, and this happened because the task before the previous task, picking with ID 31, this task has not yet been completed. So if you don't complete the previous task, you can't perform following tasks. It is a form of error prevention. Okay. So this is really a real simple interface because it only requires the usage of a few tools, and simple. You don't have to write, you don't have to do nothing, just read with your barcode reader. Everybody can do this. And also we saw the progress of production in real time with our Andon system, that it has the main advantage to share in real time information with everybody, to share problems and see how production is performing. Also, it is important to say that all data about the product execution are stored in our database, and so we can do further analysis with a huge analysis section present available in the Kaizen indicator system base module. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's see you in the next video.